If you've just bought hosting from Hostgator and you're wondering how to link your domain to it, you're in the right place. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to connect any domain to your Hostgator hosting without confusion, even if you're brand new to website management. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostgator website. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right and click the Sign In button. Enter your email and password. If you get stuck, use the Forgot Password option. Don't stress, it's a quick fix. After logging in, you'll land on your Hostgator dashboard. From here, go to Hostgator Home in the main navigation menu. This is the central hub where you control everything related to your hosting. Once you're on the Hostgator home screen, click on the Websites option. This section lets you manage all the sites connected to your hosting plan. Now find and open the settings for the website you want to connect your domain to. If you have multiple sites, just make sure you're selecting the correct one. Now inside settings, look for the button or tab that says Connect Domain. This is the key step. Click it and Hostgator will prompt you to enter the domain name you want to link. Type your domain exactly as registered. No www or http, just the root name and extension, like mywebsite.com. Double check the spelling before confirming. Depending on where your domain is registered, Hostgator may provide DNS or name server details you'll need to update with your registrar. Once that's done, the connection typically takes a short while to propagate and your domain will be officially linked to your hosting. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to Hostgator and ready to go live. If anything doesn't look right along the way, Hostgator's support team and help center are great backups. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to drop a like or ask a question in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.